Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna learn you about JavaScript loops. Alright, so what is a loop? Well, a loop is a code block that's repeat itself. So it's it exists two different loops, for loops and while loops. A while loop, you write a while loop like this, while parentheses and curly brackets. And then you write your code inside here, like console.log hi. And this is gonna repeat until this condition is false. So if you just write true in here, it's gonna run forever and it's gonna crash because the computer can't handle it anymore. So you often do this, like let's I equals 0, and then we write I equals 10, like a if statement, and then we write I plus plus, which means that we're gonna increment I with 1. So what is gonna be outputted right here? Let's see. Oh, while I is smaller than 10. Alright, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Because we run this, and then we first print this, and then we increment it by 1, so it's 1 is less than 10. That's true, so we do this again, and 2 is less than 10, and we do this again, and so forth. Sorry about that. So you can do this with all conditions. So what is a for loop? Well, a for loop is also a code block that's repeat itself, but you write a for loop like this. Seems simple enough. And then we write let I equals 0. You often use I because it's stand for increment. And then we write semicolon, and then your condition, like I is less than 10, and then semicolon, and then I plus plus. So we first create the variable I. As long as I is less than 10, and we increment I every time the loop continues. You can use I plus equals 2, but we start with I plus plus. So we can console.log I, and what do we get? We get, sorry, let I 5 to console 0 to 9, because we started 0 and less than 10. So when I is 10, we're not gonna run this code. If you want 10 to be included, you write an equal sign right there, and we can write 1 there, so it's 1 through 10. Alright, so you can have any what do you say, a condition, any condition right here, and the same as while loops. And yeah, that was all for today's video. Bye.